Get down.
Check it. Listen. I picked Big Cam up early in the morning. I don't give a fuck. I stayed up 5 in the morning. Last night, talking to the girl. The bad thing about it was Little's girl, so I didn't care. Even though she was sitting on the phone all night with me though. Then I gave it to Little, like, have that bitch. I don't even want her, cause she don't suck that dick. So, somebody else gon' ride the Big Cam, yep. I'm always on the track, nigga. Step in, looking like Jason. Hell yeah, you looking like Nathan. Off the motherfucking cartoons that you know that I seen you beating in the room, nigga. Yeah. And fuck you too, you little white boy. I heard you got beat up, dude. And looking little Reggie, I had to come over there and run the short ass with a Chevy. And his hair look like Bob Marley. I don't give a fuck though. I'm just gonna get it started. Now, he recording Princess Ugly and abortion when she have her first baby. I'm the preacher and she my first lady. So, somebody else gonna rap on DB. Come on, bitches, can y'all rap against the fucking king me? Yeah, watch my cousin spit that motherfucking fire. Y'all niggas wax, y'all don't mind well retired.
Look, we at the church, we eating these cakes. We about to eat these fucking pancakes. Hey, I'm about to get on this track and rap with Twin. And I'm about to rap with Big Cam cause these niggas lame.
Y'all lame as hell. Sitting over there like he in the jail cell. Bending over, letting him hit it from the back. I seen you and Brian hitting you from the back. Come on now, so what's the point of laughing? I'm Big Cam and you know I get it cracking. Eating that donut. Little fat boy. Fuck that, you skinny as hell, you little white boy. Yeah.
I don't want to rap.
White boy can't jump. I pull out the pump and treat you like a chump. Lord, y'all scared. My cousin.